Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to get Monopoly Go on PC. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just to go to your web browser and then search for BlueStacks. And then after that, you'll just have to click on it to download the BlueStacks. So you just have to wait until you can open the application on your PC. So now just use the search bar at the top corner of your screen and then search for Monopoly Go. And finally, if you can see the application, you'll just have to tap on the install via Google Play. Then right after that, you'll just have to wait until the application will be downloaded to your PC. Okay, so that's how you can get the Monopoly Go on PC. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.